Hello everyone, this is Saurabh Kumar and I am your mathematics faculty. Welcome you to all in class 9th mathematics. Students, in previous classes we have done some example related to the circumference and area of the circle. Now in this class we will do exercise problems, which is exercise 18. Okay, so in this book, the book is ICSC Foundation Mathematics RS Agrawal. The question number, first we will do question number 2. Okay, question number 2. Here, question number 2. Find the circumference and area of a circle of radius 17.5. I think this is very easy question. Here given is radius is given is radius, which is 17.5 centimeter, and we have to find the circumference and area. We simply use the formula. Circumference of the formula is 2 pi r and formula of area is pi r square. Simply put this value here and put the value, get the answer. Now second number question, third number question. Third one is find the circumference and area of a circle of radius 15 centimeter. Here again the same question. In this question, in second number question, the value of pi is not given. So you, whenever the value of pi is not given, you only take the value of pi is 22 by 7. If in case in the question it is given, then you can take that value. If in the case the value of pi is not given, then you only take this value for simple calculation. Okay, so in third question, here pi, value of pi is given, which is 3.14. so formula of circumference is 2 pi r, and here in place of pi we put 3.14. okay, and the radius is given, which is 15. Similarly, area is pi r square, pi is 3.14 and radius is 15 square. Now the question number 4. Question number 4. Okay, these two are very easy question. Question number 4. The circumference of a circle is, circumference is given in the question. Circumference of the circle is 123.2 centimeter. 123.2 centimeter is the circumference. We have to calculate radius, area, and the effect on the area of the circle if the radius is double. Again, find the area A dash when radius is 2r. Here we find the radius. The radius in this, here we have to find the area when radius is 2r. So simply double the radius and put the value in the formula. So how to proceed this question? Here circumference is given and formula of circumference is what? 2 pi r. Okay, value of c is given 123.2. circumference is c, 123.2. here this is 2. Value of pi is not given, so we simply take 22 by 7 and this is r. So rearranging this equation, so 123.2 here in right side, 7 is in division, so when it comes to the left hand side, it simply multiply with 123.2 and this 2 into 22 is in denominator and here is r. Okay, so here is decimal, so decimal is in place of decimal, in denominator I put 10. Okay, because decimal is after one place, so here this is 10. So 22 2 times ये 2 6 जा 12, 2 1 जा 2 and 2 6 जा 12, 6 1 6. Again with 22 2 जा 44 and this is 61. 61 is 44, 17 and 176. This is 8 times. So 28 into 7. This is 28 into 7 divided by 10. So this is 28 into 7. 8 sevens are 56. 7 twos are 14 and 5 19 divided by 10. So here radius is 19.6 centimeter. This is your radius. Okay, this is your radius, which is 197.6. 19.6 centimeter is your radius. Now area is what? Now we have get this value. Radius is 19.6. We have to find the value of area. Formula of area is pi r square. Simply put this radius here. So we get pi is 22 by 7 into this is 19.6 into 19.6. Okay, this is area and this one is second part. This one is first part and the third part is if radius is double. So this is 2r. Radius I take it as capital R is equals to 2r. So this is 2 into 19.6. So this is the value of radius. So again find the area. A dash is equals to 22 by 7 into r square. Okay. So in place of r I put this value 2 into 19.6. This is question number 4. Okay. You have to solve it without the calculator. Okay, because in your exam you are not using your calculator, so solve this by your own calculation. Okay, now come to the next question. Question number 5, very important question. Question number 5. Here, what is the question? Find the length of a rope by which a cow must be tethered in order that it may be able to graze an area of 9856. Okay, here this area is given. This is 9856, which means here is a cow which grazed the field of area 9856 centimeter square. 9856 meter square. So I take here is a bamboo in which a rope is tethered and a cow, and the cow is here. Okay, here is a cow. So it simply grazed the field of this much of area. Okay, graze this much of area. So this is the length of rope. This is the length of rope and this is radius of a circle. Okay, length of a rope. Because of this length of a rope, it makes a circle. It makes a circle. So this is the radius. So I write here the rope, the length of rope is equal to radius of a circle. Radius of a circle. So in the question, area is given and formula of area is pi r square. Here area is 9856 is equals to, value of pi is not given, so I will take here 22 by 7 into r square. We have to calculate this r, and this r is the rope, length of rope. So rearranging this, 9856 into 7 divided by 22 is equal to r square. So 22 4s are 88 22 4 are 88. Try to divide this to 1. Okay, 22 4 are 88. Remainder 10. 105 here. 22 9 8 5 6. 22 4 are 88. This is 10 5 105. Again 22 4 are 88. So this is 8 7 15, and this is 1, and this one is, this is 448 176. 448 into 7 is equal to r square. Okay, so I multiplied this. 8 7s are 56, 6 7 4s are 28, 28 and 5 33, 3 7 4s are 28 and 3 3136 is equals to r square. So r is equals to a square root of 3136. Square root of 3136, and 3136 is what? A square of 50 is 2500, and a square of 60 is 3600. So this 3136, a square root of this 3136 is what? R is equals to 56 centimeter. Okay, R is equals to 56 centimeter. How I get this value 56? How I get this value 56? Look, in simple method, you need not to calculate whole value. Okay, just try. I know 50 square is what? 2500, and 60 square is what? 3600. Okay, all you know this. 50 square is 2500 and 60 square is 3600, and this value 3136, this value is in between these two. So firstly we have to calculate this 55 square. How you get 55 square? Whenever you get at unit place 5, you simply square. How to square this? You simply take this 5 square. 5 square is what? 5. You write here 5 square is 25. Okay. Now, what is the value after 5? After 5, what is the value? Again 5. You have to only add plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is what? 6. And you have to multiply this to 5 into 6. How much? 30. So this is 3025. So 55 square is 3025. This is the 55 square. Similarly, you also get this value like 85. How much is 85 square? Simply you have to take a square of 5. A square of 5 is 25. Okay, square of 5 is 25. And here you increase the value by 1. So 8 plus 1 is what? 9. And multiply this 2. So 8 into 9 is 72. So 85 square is 7225. Simple. Again 25 square. 5 square is 25. Okay, 5 square is 25, and you must add plus 1 is this value 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Simply multiply this. 3 into 2 is 6. 625. So you can easily get the value whenever at one's place is 5. Okay, you simply get this value. So look, this is 3025 and this is 3136. Means this value is greater than this value 3025. So the value is what? Between 56 and 60. 56 and 60. In between 55 and 60. So what is the value? Here, this is 3136. 3136. So simply Write here 56, 57, 58 and 59. You know 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64 and 9 square is 81. Here at unit place, what is the value? 6. Unit place, what is the value? 6. So most probably this is your answer. So I write here 56 centimeter. Okay. This is simple. If you want to do this to solve this one, so you can do by this method, or also you can do this by your own way to calculate this. Okay. This is question number 5. Now write down on your copy. Now question number 6 is your homework. Question number 6. Question number 6 is your homework. Question number 7 is your homework. Question number 8 is your homework. Okay, this all are your homework. Now, question number 9. Right? Question number 9. Read the question carefully. Question number 9. In the video, whenever you get confused or you don't understand, so just pause the video and again back the video and resume the video. Okay, and try to watch again and again, so your problem will automatically out. Okay, now question number 9. What is question number 9? The circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter. Here this is circle. Circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 180 centimeter. This is the radius and this is the radius, and diameter is always double of radius. Remember I told you this diameter is always double of radius. Now according to question, circumference is exceeds its diameter by 180 centimeter. Diameter plus 180. According to this question, C is equals to D plus 180. I just only write what is the given in the question. Okay, C is equals to D plus 180. So circumference, formula of circumference is what? 2 pi r is equals to D is what? 2r plus 180. So this one is 2 pi r minus 2r is equals to 180. This is simply said in the question. Okay, now we have to calculate radius of the circle, circumference of the circle and area of the circle. I do only this one, value of r, and you have to do both this, C and R. You have to find circumference and area. Okay, so here what is common? 2r common, and here this is pi minus 1 is equals to 180. Okay, value of pi is not given in the question. So I put simply 22 by 7 minus 1 is equals to 180. So 2r is equals to, I take LCM as a 7. So 22 minus 7 is equals to 180. So 2r 22 minus 7 is 15 by 7 is equals to 180. Now this is 2r is equals to 180 into 7 upon 15. In the next step, r is equals to 180 into 7. This is 15 into 2. Okay. 2, 90, 15, 6 ja 90. So this is 7 into 6, 42 centimeter. Radius is 42. Now you have to easily calculate the circumference and area. Okay. Now you have to easily calculate circumference and area. Circumference is 2 pi r and area is pi r square. This is question number 9. Okay. Question number 10. Copper wire bent in the form of. Question number 10 is your homework. And I will solve your question number 11. Question number 11. In similar way, you have to solve the question number 10. Just try to understand what is given in the question. Similar question is question number 11. I have solved here. Question number 11. A copper wire when bent in the form of an equilateral triangle. Just take example. I have a wire. Okay, I have a wire and I bent this in the form of equilateral triangle, and I have this long wire and I bend this in the form of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, side is same. Okay, equilateral triangle. Again, has an area of 121 root 3. Area is given in the question of equilateral triangle. Okay, area is 121 root 3 centimeter square. Root 3 centimeter square area. If the same wire is bent into the form of circle, if the same wire is bent in the form of circle, find the area of the circle. Now tell me one thing. The length of the wire is, let us assume this is L. Okay, I bent this into a rectangular form, so can I say that this length is equal to the total length of this equilateral triangle, and total length is what? A plus A plus A. Okay, I understand. Are you getting my point? What I said? Let us assume the length of this is 25. Okay, and I bent this wire in the form of equilateral triangle, and we know that the side of equilateral triangle is equal. So this is A, this is A, this is A. So all this A plus A is equal to how much? 25. Okay, so I write here this is L, so this is L, and this A plus A is what? This is simply the total length of this equilateral triangle, and this total length is also called the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Okay, this is also the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Now try to understand this. And again this wire is bent into the form of circle. So can I say that again? This length is equal to this total length of the circle, and this total length of the circle is called what? Circumference of the circle. Okay, this total length is what? Circumference of the circle. So I write here this is L is equals to circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. So from this and from this, can I say that perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to circumference of a circle, because both are formed by this long wire, and this long wire have length L, and this L is bent into an equilateral triangle, and also again this bent into a circle. So perimeter of a triangle, perimeter of an equilateral triangle is how much? A plus A plus A, or 3A. 3A. Here A is what? Side of an equilateral triangle. In the question, side is given. Is the side is given in the question? No. For this, here in the question, area is given. So by using this area, can I find the side of an equilateral triangle? So according to question, area of an equilateral triangle, area of an equilateral triangle is what? Root 3 by 4 A square. Area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 A square. So area of an equilateral triangle is what? 121 root 3 is equal to root 3 by 4 A square.